Good evening, everyone. Today, we are going to take another question of Indian Economic Service. This is from 2012 paper. Let's have a look at it. You are given that this is the market demand function, and you have been told that these are collusive firms. What are collusive firms? Which are colliding with each other, which are acting as together. So they have their joint profit. It says you're given the cost function of the two firms. You need to calculate the joint profit of the firm. So what is going to be the joint profit of the firm? Total revenue minus total cost. What is total revenue? Price into quantity minus total cost. What is price? 100 minus 0.5 x1 plus x2. What is the total quantity? x1 plus x2 and minus 5x1 minus 0.5 x2 squared, right? Okay, so now I will get pi is equal to 100 x1 plus x2 minus 0.5 x1 plus x2 whole square minus 5x1 minus 0.5 x2 square. Differentiate this with respect to x1. You will get 100 minus, just use chain rule, 0.5 to x1 plus x2 into 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So I'm just finding the first order condition of profit maximization. So you will get 95. So this part, right? So this is just 5 by 10, 1 by 2 into 2, which is 1. So 95, ye 100 minus 5 is 95, is equal to x1 plus x2. This is equation 1. Now differentiate this with respect to x2. So you will get 100 minus, use chain rule, 0.5 into 2, x1 plus x2 into 1 minus 2, 0.5 x2 is equal to 0. So you will get 100 minus x1 minus x2 minus x2 as 0. So x1 plus 2x2 will be 100. This is your equation 2. You have two equations. You can go ahead and solve the two equations simultaneously. So let's write down. Solving the two equations simultaneously. So what will you have? From equation 1, your x1 will be 95 minus x2. Put this in equation 2. Substituting in equation 2. So you will get 95 minus x2 plus 2x2 is 100. x2 will be 5. But x1 plus x2 is 95. So x1 will be 90. So we have got the quantity that would be produced by the two firms even when they collide. Achha, now think about this. I am not finding the second order condition, but I urge you to go ahead and find the second order condition also to prove that it is in fact a minima. Yahan se when you will differentiate this again with respect to x1, no, you will get negative. When you will differentiate this with respect to x2, you should get negative. Only then it is a minima. It's a maxima, sorry. So it should be negative to get a maxima. So I am writing here, check second order condition to ensure that it is maxima. ठीक है, ये खुद कर लेना. अच्छा, नाउ उन्होंने जॉइंट प्रॉफिट पूछे हैं, तो व्हाट आर माय जॉइंट प्रॉफिट बच्चे? जॉइंट प्रॉफिट ये है हमारा, है कि नहीं है? तो एक बारी के लिए लेट्स जस्ट कॉपी दिस एंड टेक इट हियर. Okay, and now I will just put down the value. So x1 plus x2 is 95. So 100 minus 0.5, 95 into 95 minus 5. What is x1? x1 90 aaya, right? So 90 minus half, this is 0.5. x2 square, x2 is 5. So 5 square is 25. So just solve this, please. So this will be 100 minus 95 divided by 2. Acha, this much, you should not just keep it 95 in fraction. Try to just put it in decimal itself. So 95 divided by 2 is 47.5 into 95 minus 450 minus 12.5. So you will get 100 minus 47.5 is 52.5 into 95 is 4987.5 minus 450 minus 12.5. So minus 450 minus 12.5. This is giving you 4525. So the joint profit of this firm, when the two firms are acting together, is going to be 4525. Very easy question. कुछ भी नहीं करना था. You had to just find the total profit, differentiate this with respect to x1, differentiate it with respect to x2, and go ahead and find out the maximum profit. Okay, thank you everyone. We will meet again in the next class and we will take one more question of Indian Economic Services. Till then, take care. Bye.